Assalamualaikum, this is Javed, mjcommerce Multan. If you are looking filing to LLC in Texas state, this is video for you. There are some important points, so follow these important points. Video link available in this video description. You can find the video link and you can create within a 10 minute your LLC in Texas state step by step. Number 1, choose your the LLC entity name in Texas state 1 or 2. Number 2, for the hire your physical address in unique in Texas state. Number 3, for your agent if you are the non-resident. And number 4, you can file your LLC in the Texas state for the Texas original website, and this one is available link in our description, so you can follow our step by step and you can create your LLC within a 10 minute. Number 5, when you will get your LLC from the Texas state, you can apply for the EIN number. And number 6, how you will apply your the EIN number, you can faxplus.com. This is the very easy for fax. You can fill your the SS4 form and you can send your fax through your fax plus. And number 7, when you will get your EIN number, and after that you can apply your business account like a Wise, Payoneer, or also you can apply for EIN number the multi places for multi-purpose in your USA state for business. So these are the very important points. You can follow each point step by step, and also you can copy link our available step by step how you will create these all step and easy to create your Texas LLC.